bought a new motor, which should be an upgrade for a MN78, but it's a little longer and has a lot more power on the top end. It seems to have a bit of a crawler geared low, but then when it gets to the full throttle, it just takes off, which is interesting and pretty cool. And I might need to use these metal gears if I start ripping these apart. I think I'm gonna just like put like metal to metal and then use the plastic ones for a while. See what happens. So always got extras. Time for a shakedown with all the new Injora parts. I got new tires, shocks, and a 370 motor that seems to have problems with the throttle control. I think the ESC gets too hot and then it starts ignoring it and just cuts out. But we're gonna try it. It's got a higher top speed anyway. Oh, I was pinning the throttle there. Now it's just making a noise. Doesn't want to go forward. I guess that's the end of that, huh? I was trying to pin it. And it didn't go. Probably a bad idea. It works, but see, it throttles all the way. That, yeah, there's definitely something wrong with it. Doesn't work with it. And it doesn't want to go, right? Not even on flat anymore. Oh, there it goes. No. See how it cuts out? Yeah, it doesn't want to go. It's too much for it. Shakedown test 2. Putting the regular tires back on. The 370 gets overloaded really easily, so I don't think it's really meant for this ESC. But, gotta test it anyway. I think it'll have less load with the smaller tires, but still has the throttle cutoff issue, I think. If you hold it on one speed, it just stops. And it has trouble getting going again. Yeah, it's sticking. It doesn't want to go. Definitely has more pep, but it doesn't work.